Hey yo interneters, welcome back to another video, and this is me trying to do the fingerless thumb around reverse for the very first time. I want to take a quick moment to say thank you to Broken for suggesting this pin trick for me to learn, and for everyone who made suggestions in my previous video. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. So to do the trick, you want to hold the pin between your thumb and your thumb flap. From there, you want to flick your wrist like you're shooing someone away, like, you know, go shoo shoo, go away. From there, the pin should spin around your thumb in a reverse direction, and the center point of the pin should line up with your thumb. So at the 0-minute mark, I'm trying to figure out how you're supposed to hold the pin, because I really didn't pay attention to the tutorial. I zoned out. So yeah, as I was doing, I was like, wait, how are you supposed to hold a pin? Like, what's this trick again that I'm trying to do? But you know, eventually I figured it out. But anyways, I'm holding the pin near the end point, and with the majority of the pin weight being on the outside of the palm, and this will help the pin gain momentum when you're spinning or when you're flicking your wrist, and the pin should spin around your thumb. You can see the learning process was a bit tricky for me in the beginning. I'm spinning the pin, right? But the pin isn't spinning all the way around my thumb. Eventually, I learned that the reason behind that was because the pin tip that I'm holding is hitting my index finger when I'm doing my shoo shoo motion with my wrist. That's causing a lot of problems for me, like in the beginning. So once I got that down, the pin was able to spin around my thumb, but not all the way. Well, the pin did go all the way around, right? But I wasn't able to catch it yet, is what I'm trying to say. And like all process of learning, I always tend to break things down into steps. It works well for me. So once I'm able to get the pin to consistently spin around my thumb, it was only like a matter of time before I'm able to catch it, right? So I think by now, I think it was close to roughly around 7.5-minute mark, I was able to catch the pin for the first time, and started to catch the pin more frequently, right? But it was still inconsistent. So sometime I would be able to catch it, sometime I would drop it. And you know, after several more minutes of practicing with this, I started to get the hang of it. And you know, if you've been watching my videos, you know that this is when I start to cue the music and BAM! I'm able to catch the pin at a consistent rate, and 3 times in a row or more. When I'm learning this trick, I always tell myself, hey, you gotta be able to do the trick consistently, because to me, doing it consistently proves that I learned a trick and it's not luck or it's not a fluke, right? So in a way, doing this sort of adds more practice for me, because you have to keep going until you get it like X amount of time in a row before, and well, for me it's 3 times in a row. So that's a good thing, that's a plus side to it. So I spent a total of 10 minutes and 53 seconds, and I dropped the pin 285 times before I was able to learn how to do the fingerless thumb around reverse. And so if you want to see me learn something new, or any more pin tricks, pin combos, or pin linkages, or even anything outside of pin spinning, please leave it down in the comments below. Of course, I got all the other suggestions that I have to get through, but definitely if you want to add on to the list, feel free to. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button for more future videos like this. And like always, thanks for watching, and until next time.